Have you ever seen New York City taken by daylight? Well, I think it's kinda pretty, like everything's right. Sometimes I pretend that I'm 73 floors off the ground, and I'm sitting by my window listening to the sound. The sound of cars rushing by, and the sound of the skyline. The sound of life taking time. It's my lullaby. It's my lullaby. Well, I think there's beauty in mountains and shorelines. When the tide rolls in, I'm reminded I'm finite, and I close my eyes and feel my feet in the sand, and I get lost listening to the sound. The sound of fresh squeezed lime, and the sound of the sunshine, and the sound of wind making rhymes. It's my lullaby. It's my lullaby. Yeah. But the prettiest places live in people's eyes, 'cause I can see something more that withstands time. There are 6 billion stories that matter just walking around. God, give me the grace to quiet my mind and hear the sound. The sound of hearts burning like mine, and the sound of a baby's cry. The sound of an old man's sigh. It's my lullaby. It's my lullaby. you can call your own. And there's a place, but you can't get there alone. So take my hand and let me show you love. I said, I'm leaving, you said, I'm staying. And I said, I hate me, you said, what I created. I said, I'm broken, you said, I'm healing. So step out into the world that I made just for you. And my world is bigger than yours. People are dying and hiding, and they just wanna know, crying and wondering, what are you waiting for? If my truth is so amazing, then why aren't you crawling to the ends of the earth for love, for love, for giving up, and we just walk right past. And they've had enough, they're tired of us just talking about what we lack. And they're dying and hiding, and they just wanna know, crying and wondering, what are you waiting for? And if my truth is so amazing, then why aren't you crawling to the ends of the earth? Show yourself, and you said, in time. I said, take me, and you said, I am. I said, I have scars, and you said, never mind that, 'cause I'm about to make you into something beautiful. What are you waiting for? And if my truth is so amazing, then why aren't you crawling to the ends of